You can see the Bluetooth throttle control enables the driver to have fine use of the throttle without the use of it. The student can have great functionality with all the controls while using a variation on the popular spinner knob theme. So you can go for a drive using the Bluetooth range of accessories. Cancel the indicator using that knob. I'm still using my stick on the bottom right hand side, looking for where the road goes, and you can see just how functional this little piece of equipment is. As the vehicle straightens up, we can drive down the road with perfect mobility, cancelling our indicators. The vehicle has a range of accessories that we can use throughout the assessment to give the client the best option of finding tools that make them comfortable. A flick of a switch, application of the brake, and suddenly our whole throttle position has changed. No other car is equipped with this level of functionality.